Welcome back. We are logged into our BitPay account, and whenever we enter the BitPay account, it will request that we go through a two-step verification. Now, when you sign up for BitPay, you will be signing up with a mobile device, and BitPay will send that verification note to your mobile device so that you can get the verification code and then place it inside of this dialog box. That means then that you will need to open up the Google Authenticator on your mobile device. You will get a code, and then you will need to place that code inside of your BitPay account. You will then have access to your BitPay account. Now what we need to do is we need to get the pairing code so that we can take that pairing code back and place it inside of our SendOwl account. You will then click the Payment Tools link. It'll bring you to this page. You will then click Manage API Tokens. Once you get to this page, you are then going to click Add New Token. You'll then come to this screen that says Add New Token. You'll click Add Token. Now, obviously, our pairing code is blurred out, but you will then copy that pairing code. You'll take that back to your SendOwl account. Once we've added the pairing code, BitPay will then be connected to our SendOwl account, and we can then start collecting Bitcoin for our product sales. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.